and it's starting to look pretty nice. So we're happy with it now, to the point where if we hide the character again, we'll come to a front view. Actually, we're going to need that character unhidden, so we'll select all of the eye and we'll bring up our character again, and we'll bring up our wireframe, and we're going to shift and drag across. So probably not in wireframe, we'll do this in shaded mode with wireframe, just so that we can reference the wire to see where we're going as we move it across. So shift and move across just until we line it up. Look for those visual references of the edges and where they line up on the other side, and that's pretty close, and as a copy. And you'll notice now that it's created a copy of all that geometry, and it's just named it the original name with 01 after it. So what we need to do now is, with that eyeball selected, we're going to use Tools, Rename Objects. It's a great little tool. The first thing we're going to do is give it a prefix. We're going to leave the existing names that it's already got, but we're going to prefix the name with LFT, which is left, given that, and you always name your left and right on an object relative to the object itself. So if you were this character, that would be your left eye. Cool? And the other eye would be your right eye. So we want to prefix it with left underscore and just leave that, and then we want to remove the last two digits because it's put 01 on the end of those digits. And I'll just bring up Layer Manager here, and you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. You'll see you've got eyelid 01, eyelid ball 01, eyeball 01, cornea 01. So now with these ticked and set up, we can go rename. And now if I just close that and open it, you'll see that they've been renamed to left eyelid, left eyeball, right eyeball, and so forth. So we'll just leave that rename open for a moment, and we're going to select, we can use our Layer Manager to select them. So select eyeball, pupil, cornea, and eyelid, and just hit the select highlighted. And now it's selected those objects. And the only thing we need to do here, we don't want to remove the last two digits in the rename. What we want to do is just prefix it with RT and just say rename.